Welcome to my channel, friends. I'm Kenny, and today we're making some amazing comfort food. The fall season's already here, with winter coming just around the corner, so comfort food is one of those go-to dishes. And today, I'm making a recipe that I used to make during my college days. It's cheap, and you can make it very quickly. And it fills your belly and makes you happy, so comfort food it is. So come along with me into the canteen and let's get ready to cook. Alright, go ahead and chop the onion. Large chunks if you want. You could do it smaller if you want. Up to you. 1 clove of garlic. Put it under the knife and smash. Then just take the end off. And simple as that, you skin it. And go ahead and just slice it up. There we go, just roughly minced. And slice some mushrooms. There we go. And in a heated pan, add some olive oil. And throw in your garlic. Come on, there we go. Let that garlic sweat a little. Okay, and then add in your onions here. And give that a nice stir. Add a sprinkle of salt and stir that in a bit. Once your onions start to get a little transparent, go ahead and add in your mushrooms. Go ahead and give that a good stir. And once your mushrooms have wilted a bit, go ahead and add some ground beef. Sprinkle on some salt, pepper, and garlic powder. Then go ahead and just mix that all up in there. Once the beef is cooked, toss in a knob of butter, about 2 tablespoons worth, and let it melt. Alright, once the butter is completely melted, go ahead, add in some flour, all-purpose flour. That's 1 tablespoon. And let's add in just another bit more there. About a tablespoon and a half to 2 tablespoons should do it. If not, we'll add a little bit more before we add in some broth. Give it a good stir. Make sure that the all-purpose flour is completely mixed into this mixture here. You know what, just in case, I'm going to add in 1 more extra tablespoon of all-purpose flour, since I like my gravy to be pretty thick. And now slowly add in some beef broth. Just a little bit at a time. I've got 2 cups worth. I'm using 50% less sodium beef broth today, mainly because I'm going to be adding a little bit more sodium via soy sauce in a bit here, but I want to slowly put it in. Pour mix, that's what you want to do. Okay, and add in the last portion here. Stir that in. You do it that way by pouring it a little bit at a time and mixing it, you get no lumps. Now we add in a drizzle of soy sauce, probably about a teaspoon or 2. I always measure with my heart and my eyes. Don't really use a measuring spoon. Incorporate it by mixing it well. Gently fold it in there. Also going to add in a touch of W sauce. I could never pronounce it, but it's this one right here. That's about another teaspoon or 2 as well. And just give it a good mix. Fold that in. Alright, the flavors are all incorporated in there, it's mixed well. What we're going to do next is just let it simmer for a good 5 minutes or so. All right, so it's been simmering for a while, so let's go ahead and serve it up. Okay, so when you're gonna serve it, you could serve it with whatever carbohydrate that you'd like. I'm choosing rice because I love rice, but I've had this with bread, potatoes, pasta, but this is probably the best one. All right, go ahead and grab your ladle and just place it next to the rice or on top of it. There we go. And there you have it. Quick and easy beef gravy with rice. All right, let's go ahead and give it a taste here. Oh, look at that. It looks delicious. So good. This has always been one of my favorite comfort foods during college. Quick and easy to make. Absolutely delicious and fills you up. Seriously hits the spot. Cheap, delicious, can't go wrong. Boy, that was some delicious, comforting food. I absolutely love beef and gravy. If you like that recipe today, please make sure to give me a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe and comment from time to time as well. And I'll see you again at the canteen real soon.